Welcome back to our channel Runway with Code. So, before proceeding to our today's topic, I request you to all kindly please subscribe the channel and like the video. So, let's start with today's topic. So, in the previous lecture, I told you about the for loop. So, if you don't watch that video, kindly please watch it first. So, it's gonna easy to understand about the while loop. Okay. So, while loop is what? It also a conditional way statement. Okay. So, a while loop statement repeatedly execute a target statement as long as a given condition is true. That means if we want something that like the set of statement occur every time till the specified condition will true. Okay, so that in that case we use while loop. So the syntax for while loop is like that. Firstly we have to write keyword while then condition. So this is the condition that will uh, decide the uh, execution of these statements. Okay, so that is a simple syntax of the while loop. So let's begin with our example part. So let's take an example. Firstly, I save this file, and these notes you can get from the description link. So I save this program in our okay, so our program 7.cpp. Okay, so now firstly we have to include hash include iostream.h iostream.h, then using namespace std int main. Okay, so now here I write a return 0. Okay, so let's take a simple example that if the given number is greater than 10, so the set of statement is going to be run. Okay, so let's first take the number from the user. So cout, enter the number. Okay, so cn, let's take n. Okay, so firstly we have to define int n. Then now what we want that it print the numbers from 1 0. Let's declare this like 1. Okay, 1. So the it going to be the loop going to be execute the statements or print the numbers from 1 to a specific number n. Okay, so what we have to do here, while n is smaller than 10. Okay, this is the condition that if the n is smaller than 10, then execute these statements, else not. Okay, so what we do here, simply cout and l. Okay, it works similar to /n that we use. Okay, and l and print n, and here the incrementation of n is there. What the meaning of this? That we have to add we are going to add n by 1, increment n by 1. Okay, n by 1. Okay, so let's build this program, then see what happened. So it's simply give a error like expected colon or colon before cout. So I missed a colon here. So now build the program. So run successfully. Oh, build successfully. Now enter the numbers. So I write 5. 5 is smaller than 10. So see 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So it prints the number from 5 to 9 because I write here while loop is going to be run these statements till n is smaller than 10, and if I write here equal to, so it print the number from the given number n and equal to 0. So see now, enter the number 5, because I missed here, I something wrote fishy. So see, now it worked. Okay, so build the program and run the program now. 5 and see, 5 6 7 8 and 9 10. Okay, so this is all about simply while loop, how it works and what is the syntax for that. And so we use while loop when we need the loop begin or loop execute whenever a certain situation is going to be true. Okay, so in that case we use while loop. Okay, so this is all about while loop. So thank you for the day, and if you want to take these notes you can take from the description, and kindly please subscribe the channel and like the video.